I mean, imagine having a really fresh, glowy skin on your face, but your hands and legs are really dry and rough. And who wants that, right? So, if you are someone who very occasionally tries on a fancy body wash or semi-regularly slaps on a layer of body lotion, it is high time you need to create a body care routine for yourself. Which is why in this video, I'm going to break down a really nice, basic, simple body care routine into 5 simple steps. Hi guys, I'm Ishita and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I make a lot of videos about fashion, styling, lifestyle, and if you're interested in watching such content, I would highly suggest that you consider subscribing because it would mean a lot to me, and I would love to grow my YouTube family over here. And since you've clicked on this video is going to be all about creating a body care routine for yourself. Now, most of us spend so much time figuring out our skincare routine for our faces. We spend months on trying out new products, experimenting with new products, but that is not the only routine that we should be focusing on. The skin on the rest of our body is equally and extremely important, and we must create a routine for that as well. Now, step 1 in your body care routine should be dry brushing. You can easily get a dry brush in your local general store, in a chemist, or anywhere online on Amazon or Nykaa. Vega is a brand that sells these dry brushes, so you can definitely check that out. And the best time to do a dry brush all over your body would be just before you step into the shower. And you should start from your toes and go upwards towards your head. So basically start, sort of circulating the brush on your feet and just gradually go upwards towards your head. Now, this has a lot of advantages. Number 1 is that it stimulates your lymphatic system, which basically means that it helps with blood circulation, improving your blood circulation, and helps circulate the blood from the bottom of your body towards your head and towards your heart. Number 2, it helps with exfoliation. So all the dead skin cells that may be present on your body, any flaky skin, dry brushing, say, you can easily remove that. Number 3, it also helps break down cellulite, which a lot of us tend to have all over our body, especially on our thighs and the bum area. So this is great for that too. And number 4, it helps get rid of toxins in your body. Now, the second step is body wash. So as soon as you step into the shower, what you need to do is apply a really good shower gel. I usually use a loofah to lather up my shower gel, but you can also use your hand. The loofah just helps it lather easily and a lot more. Now, if you've been watching my previous body care videos, you know that I love trying out new shower gels, and I love trying out fruity fragrances especially. So the one that I'm using right now is the Vilvah Berry Exfoliating Body Wash, and the berry fragrance of this is just perfect and I love it absolutely. Now, like I said, this is an exfoliating body wash, so it has some really good rich antioxidant ingredients like mulberry, blueberry and aloe vera, and the exfoliating ingredient is the berry powder, which helps get rid of all the dead skin cells on your body and gives you a really nice smooth skin. This is also really moisturizing, by the way, so it does not leave your body feeling dry at all or irritated in any way. In fact, in case you guys want to try it out, which I would highly recommend, you can also use my code Ishita15 for an extra 15% off. I'm going to drop the link for it in the description box, so it'll become easier for you guys to check it out. And the best part about this shower gel is that it's sulfate free, silicone free, paraben free, and also cruelty free, which is what I love about it. And Vilvah as a brand, in fact, really believes in natural goodness, so all their products, including this shower gel, is a mix of natural ingredients and modern science. Step 3 is shaving, and even if you've been shaving for the most of your life, which I have, I always still tend to make mistakes, and I'm sure a lot of you guys still do that, especially when I'm in a hurry. I will not spend enough time in the shower. I will just quickly do a dry shave, and highly not recommended. It is not a good thing to do. It does damage your skin. So always make sure that you spend enough time in the shower and you shave the right way. I've done a very detailed video on how to shave, so I'm going to link it below for you guys, of course, so you must watch that. It is a very detailed video and it is going to be helpful for you if you're just stepping into the shaving world. So to shave the right way, you need to spend enough time in the shower so the skin becomes soft and the roots of your hair sort of soften up, and it is then easy to go in with the razor and shave. And it is also really important to use a good razor. Some of the brands that I trust and I can recommend are Gillette and Bombay Shaving Company. Both these brands have some really good razors that I personally use and would recommend to you guys as well. Step 4 is applying a body lotion. Now, cleansing, exfoliating, shaving, all of these things have one thing in common, and that is that you need to moisturize afterwards. The best time to apply a body lotion, and this is something new I'm sure a lot of you will be hearing, is that when your body is still slightly wet, not completely towel dried, that is when you need to apply a good body lotion, because it really helps absorb it much better into the skin. And I also have discovered and learned this very recently. And also, a lot of us tend to apply body lotion when we are like done with the shower, we've put our clothes on and then we put on lotion. Do it the other way around. Apply a good amount of body lotion all over your body so that your entire body is moisturized and not just like the visible area of hands or legs after wearing your clothes. So this step is highly important. Step 5 and the final step is to apply a perfume or a body mist or a roll-on or whatever you like using. And I cannot stress enough how important it is to be smelling nice. I've mentioned it a lot of time in a lot of my videos and I keep bringing it up. Always carry a little body roll-on, a little travel size perfume bottle with you in your handbag. So if you feel like you're starting to sweat or if it gets too hot, especially because summers are here now, you can just pull it out and just, sort of refresh your fragrance or refresh your body mist or roll-on, whatever you use, once again during the day. So smelling nice is extremely important, and this would be the final step of your body care routine. So this wraps up the video, and I really hope that after watching it, you guys will create a body care routine for yourself. You can try out the Vilvah body wash by clicking on the link down below, and you can also use my code Ishita15 for an extra 15% discount. And as usual, please hit that like, share, subscribe button if you found this video helpful. And I'm going to sign off. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.